What is an app in Sematext Cloud? Your software stack likely consists of web servers, search engines, queues, databases, etc. Each part of your stack emits its own metrics and logs. Depending on the size of your team and structure, different team members might have permissions to look at one set of data, but not the other. Some data is needed for troubleshooting and can be discarded after just a few days, while more important data might need to be kept for months for legal or capacity planning purposes. Apps in Sematext Cloud are like containers for your different types of data. They help you bring order to your data. They help you manage monitoring agents and log shippers, data structure, dashboards, alerts, data retention, and, very importantly, access permissions. Let's walk through an example. You might start on the integration screen. Here, you can create logs apps or monitoring apps to monitor various technologies. Let's create an app for monitoring Docker. Let's give this app an imaginative name like ST Containers. With this little switch, you can optionally create a logs app at the same time. You might do that if you know you also want to ship logs to Sematext. If your teammates need access to metrics or logs that you will send to these apps, you can enter their email addresses to invite them. After creating your apps, you'll see simple copy-paste setup instructions for installing the monitoring agent for various technologies. To ship your logs into the Logs app, you'll have a number of options for collecting and sending logs to Sematext. There are integrations for many programming languages, log shippers, container platforms, and cloud platforms. Once you have the agent or log shipping going, you will see your data in apps you created. Finally, let's have a quick look at various things you can do with your apps. You can search for and filter your apps just by entering their name or type. In App Settings, you see all app details and can set the plan. The freedom to have a different plan for each app gives you very fine control over your costs. Alert Rules show and let you manage all alert rules for an app. Connect App lets you connect monitoring and logging apps to correlate metrics and logs. You can invite other team members to an app and assign them a role. If you own an app, you can transfer the app ownership to another person. If you need the setup instructions again, say to install a monitoring agent on a new piece of infrastructure, click Install Monitor. I hope this video was helpful. Please reach out via email or live chat if you need any help with Sematext.